couldn't be that stupid. Meghan and Harry's legal action against the creators of South Park. Popular animated series South Park could face legal action following last week's episode attacking a royal couple. Prince Harry and wife Meghan's lawyers are closely watching the show after the pair were targeted by the satirical cartoon in an episode called Worldwide Privacy Tour. The show pokes fun at the royal for asking for privacy while on a publicity blitz for the Duke's autobiography Spare and their Netflix docos. Not named, of course. We don't know who they could be in the episode. Instead, the characters were referred to as the Prince and Princess of Canada. For more, we are joined by Daily Mirror royal editor Russell Myers to get to the bottom of who it could be. How likely is it the Sussexes will take legal action against the creators of South Park? Well, I think they've had a bit of a sense of humor bypass, because everybody I've spoken to thinks that this is pretty hilarious. So I think it was George Clooney who once said, if you haven't been on South Park, then you're obviously doing something wrong. It's a bit of a poke of fun. We pretty much know that Harry and Meghan are not too good at that or making fun of themselves, but I think they've got the wrong end of the stick on this one. So is this actually true that they're lawyers? Thinking of taking action. And I couldn't be that stupid. Well, you said it. I think that possibly they could be the only people who are busier than Harry writing his book. And Meghan while doing the Netflix series. Harry and Meghan's lawyers, they have been firing off legal letters to all and sundry. Everybody that is anybody has had one from Harry and Meghan. And they don't like things being written about and they don't like things being said, but has the South Park said they want their privacy and they can complaining about. Not having it at the same time. It seems that a completely ludicrous situation, but that seems to follow Harry and Meghan around quite a lot. This would be such a funny law. So if it went ahead, I know, but everyone will turn. If you haven't turned on them, you will now, because you just think, what a bunch of tossers not being able to laugh at themselves, and particularly the Brits. What are the Brits saying about this? Well, I think we're all a bit exasperated by the whole thing. I'm not just the Brits, but worldwide. Americans seem to have fallen out of love for them. I don't know what the Aussies across the board think. But I think it's one of these things that Harry and Meghan, Harry was the darling prince. They're both the darling couple. Everybody was full of the joys of spring when they came onto the scene and rapidly turned. And we've had this 2 to 3 years of tumultuous cap claims and counterclaims, fallouts with the family. I think they should just take him back step, have a bit of a laugh about themselves, and maybe not take yourself so seriously. Exactly. You can't take yourself too seriously, and you can't trash your family publicly. Yeah. This will be interesting to follow.